Hello everybody, what's going on? Today, I am joined by my mom, so say hello.
Hi.
So, yeah, we're doing another pack opening, but this time with my mom. This is the last pack opening we are doing in, for this part of Team of the Season. The next Team of the Season that comes out, I will be doing another pack opening without her. But, yeah, so let's open our first pack on second day of Team of the Season packs, and we get nothing. You want to open a pack? Go ahead.
Sure.
Open a pack. See what she gets. You got Griezmann. He's not bad. I mean, he could get better, but it could get a lot worse. Dab pack. Nope. Let's do a dab pack together. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Dab. Didn't work. Well then. Okay. Next pack, we get no one. We get freaking Remy. I've tried out Remy. He's actually half decent. His finishing isn't that good, but he can assist like a beast. Ooh, Fabregas, 87 rated. It's not that bad. But we're looking for blue cards, Team of the Season players. See what we could get here. Yes, we got a Team of the Season. Let's go. You happy?
Happy.
Yes. Nice.
Got a blue.
Yeah, that's what we're looking for. Alright. In the next for the next 5 packs, I'm gonna do no look packs. So tell me if I get a blue or not.
Nope.
Nope. Okay.
Nope.
Next pack. Who do we get? Are we gonna get anybody good?
Yes.
Oh, let's freaking go! I haven't packed him yet. Let's freaking go! Team of the Season. Right there, Storm in the club. Next couple packs. Open.
Nope.
Okay.
Negative.
Okay, last pack.
Oh.
Oh, let's freaking go! Last pack, we get a freaking Team of the Season Van Dijk. Okay, let's open regular packs now without no look. We got a couple Team of the Seasons. That is not bad at all. Did we get a guy named Kevin De Bruyne? Did we get a guy named De Bruyne?
Not sure.
Okay. I'm gonna look back at the footage and see if we got Kevin De Bruyne, and I hope we did. Because he's decent. So let's see what we could get here. Aubameyang. Got Aubameyang. We got Aubameyang. Hundahan, Rodriguez, Eriksson. Not that bad. But I want blue cards. Yes! We got Matt's Drachma. We got Matt's Drachman. What's a Drachman? What's a Drachman?
What is it?
I don't know. What is it?
I don't know.
What's a drachma? What's a drach? Oh, okay. Let me look up a drachma. Wow, drachma is an actual thing. A drachma was the currency used in Greece during several periods in its history. That's sick. So that guy must be rich in Greek. Yeah, that guy must be rich in Greek. In Greece.
Right.
Let's see what we could get in this pack. Are we gonna get anyone? Yeah! 2 Team of the Seasons in a row. That's sick. High five. And I haven't even packed him yet. He comes from New Zealand. That is not bad. We got Hingert. Weird name. Got Hingert. Next pack. Our last pack is coming soon. The next Team of the Season we pack is going to be the last pack of the episode. which is going to be the last team of the season pack opening before the new team of the seasons come out. And let's see what we could get. Nobody. We got Hundahun. Hundahun. See what we could get here. Team of the season. Nope, Vardy. Get Vardy. Vardy and Mahrez. They're both going to be team of the season. I bet you. I bet you my top dollar that they're both going to be team of the season. I bet that Vardy's going to be on the bench. Just saying it right now. Putting it out there. Vardy's going to be on the bench. See what we could get? No one. We didn't get a team of the season. We need one more team of the season, and that's our last pack. Alright, is there going to be one here? Dab, no look. Was there a blue?
No.
Nope. A blue was not meant to be. The no look hat pack.
Nope.
How about now?
Nope.
Am I hitting it?
Nope.
No, like, am I hitting the open team of the season
Yeah.
pack? Yep. Okay, cool. Anybody?
Got one on the corner, black and gray.
Oh, I said inform, man. I didn't want no inform. I want blue. I want blue. Blue. Nope. No blues. This is very sad.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Yeah!